Today is going to be a special unboxing video of a 3800 eBay special radiator. It's for a 3800, as I said, just in a 3800 Chevy actually. This is a Buick and it needs a radiator replacement. The radiator on this one has been JB welded and it's leaking. It was a temporary repair till this came in. That's the part number if you guys are interested in that. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Bryce is going to unbox it. So we're gonna unbox and make sure it's, you know, at least a match for the car, because sometimes you get shit and it don't match. Tear that box, Bryce.
I need a how-to video just unlock the box.
Oh, here's the radiator, guys. Oh, that looks decent. Looks very decent. Well packaged too, if you count just these right here. This is the top of the radiator.
Bottom.
This is the bottom? Okay, this is the bottom. I thought this was the top. That's what I thought. This is the top of the radiator. This is the bottom. The trans lines screw into this right here. This is for the trans. There should be two of them. The transmission gotta go in and gotta go out. And usually that should be right in there. Nope, here's one. Oh, that's two. Okay, that's the trans. Radiator looks pretty decent. Now, what was the price on this?
$70.
This is $70.
Tax and everything.
After tax and everything on eBay. That's with shipping. I don't know what this cost is at an auto parts store, but if you're watching this unboxing, you're probably debating on ordering a radiator for your 3800 series Buick or your 3800 series car or whatever it might be in off the internet. If so, from what we see from this radiator, it's a very good quality. Now the match of it actually does look pretty good. It's got the tabs and stuff. Price for the radiator cap here is plastic though, but you know, plastic don't last forever. But it should last the rest of the lifetime of this car, hopefully. So, with that being said, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, check my channel out for more content. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.